like to thank from bottom of our heart to Chief Minister, Tourism Minister, Director Tourism, Government of Goa as a whole, and the center government for reinsisting the tourist e-visa for UK specifically. आता कितें आसा दोन फ्लायटी युकेच्यान येताली वन फ्रॉम गॅटविक एअरपोर्ट एंड वन फ्रॉम मँचेस्टर आनी ताका कॅपेसिटी 50-60% येताली बिकॉज ऑफ विजा इश्यूज फ्लायट वॉज कमिंग एम्प्टी. With this procedure, it will help in filling up the flight. Not only that, there is a direct flight Air India ji asa from London. There is a Qatar Airways, Oman Airways also flight coming via London. So त्या scheduled flight आणि tourists वाटताले येवपाचे आणि इनिशियली 4 फ्लायट तेंच्यांनी प्लॅन केल्ली युकेच्यान येवपाची तूं जी ऑपरेटर आसा. बट बिकॉज ऑफ विजा इश्यूज दे आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 2 फ्लायट्स आनी तितूनय त्यांची कॅपेसिटी कमी येताले लोक. But with e-visa coming in, I think it will go long way in the reviving foreign tourists into Goa.
Welcome to all my friends from the UK. UK is a dominant market in Goa, and we need to ensure that these tourists add to the international numbers. When we talk about international tourists come in, UK and Russia play quite a major and dominant role. And आमकां विजाचो issue आशिल्लो. Last few months, from the time we have taken, there have been bilateral issues. After the new Prime Minister, Mr. Sunak, has come in and Modi ji's talks with him, I think a lot of things have eased out.